guy wants us to color match his Raptor Bronco and told us to go rip it down the road.
I want to buy more Broncos.
I won't sacrifice!
I'm a 4-truck man.
So this guy wants us to color match his Raptor Bronco and told us to go rip it down the road. Almost lost my phone. It's pretty fast.
It's so windy outside.
It's nice. Feels so good. Okay. Where are the windows?
Right here.
Holy. Woo.
My locks.
A wind model.
Dude, this thing is like so soft.
Whoa.
See?
Test drive with Blake and Barbie and Katie.
Kitty.
And Kitty.
Where do you want to go? Back to the house?
We can make the loop.
What loop?
The Henley loop. Put my head back this time.
I won't drive this stupid.
Send it!
It's pretty fast.
Yeah, it's fast.
It, like, the ride on it is what's nice.
Yeah, it has like really good suspension. What is the Dodge? That's not a Raptor, that's a RZ tractor or something. What's it called? TRZ or something?
TRX.
TRX. That bitch is fast.
Yeah, they're like 1,200 horsepower.
Yeah.
I'm sure this is like a fucking 4-cylinder.
This is pretty much just like a really fancy Jeep.
Way bigger in the inside though. Yeah, because when me and you sat in a Jeep, we were like this.
Yeah, it's a little
I can
wider.
sit over in my actual seat too.
Yeah, it's a little wider.
And road noise is quieter, and you don't have to have a dick in your mouth to drive this. Ain't it right, fellow Jeeper back there?
Alright.
In like pawpaw mode. I don't know what he just did, but it's a lot faster now.
Yeah, so you
All right.
click. Hang on.
What'd you click?
Click this.
A little
and
Raptor
it says
button.
My mode.
Oh, now did you take it out?
Oh, no.
Press R again. There you go. I should be in it. Here we go. Here we go. Send it. That's a lot quicker.
We should take it back
Yeah.
before you break it.
Me? I don't break it.
Dang. Yeah, I don't. There's definitely a better mode. We need to figure out how to do it because everything on there says normal.
Just hit that.
Press R to enter my mode again.
You have to click the arrows maybe to change it. Sup, hoes and bros. So this guy that we know, our homie, he just bought this Bronco, and he asked if we would color match it for him. We're gonna do the bumpers, the grill, I think some mud flaps, his mirrors. So yeah, that's what we're gonna do.
Random pieces.
Random pieces. We're gonna color match it. It's like a sandy tan. Yeah, so that's what we're doing. This part is off, so 10 seconds.
He said he.
I guess we do, should I try the silver pieces too, or see if we can just get this piece off? It looks like it's
Well, that's all. I think we gotta pull the whole part.
Yeah, it's like all fucking connected.
Because this goes behind this, but this piece you have to take the back piece off to get this plastic off. So, I mean, we can take all these out, but I don't
Where's
know.
like the main bolts for the bumper?
That's what I was trying to look.
And here's, is this pan? It's not. But we gotta take this pan off to get to these bolts right here.
Yeah.
Okay. What size do you think that is?
Oh, it's aluminum. It's fine.
Okay. Lefty.
like the deal, bro.
I got it too. I'm trying to help you pull it out. Okay. It's dusty. I don't like it. There we go. Definitely took you to the ranch. Ew. I've never seen these.
That's weird. So it's really just for looks, huh?
Yeah, probably.
No, it holds it on.
Come on, girl.
Like, what if they, like, dry rot, you know?
But it is, man.
Try not to break it.
You won't break it. They're too new.
Bam! Oh, yeah. I hate doing that. I feel like I'm gonna break it. Oh.
Oh, you're gonna break it. Oh. Whoa!
Where'd he go?
Nice.
So then.
Then we can get to them big. Fuck you mean?
Got it? Pull it out this way.
We don't have much wire. That's all I got on my side.
There's no wires on her side, so
I can't see.
you're gonna have to move on there.
There we go. Nice and good. Yeah. Woo!
So, what? There's probably one up here
2,
somewhere.
3, 4.
Yeah.
And then the clips. Ow, son of a bitch, that's hot. Ow. Hang on something.
God damn it.
What are we hung on? What are we hung on?
I think you gotta finesse it out.
Oh.
Okay. Is it? There you go. Yay! You got 2 points.
Yay. You got that little... We got all the pieces off that he wants to paint. We're doing a part of the bumper, the whole grill, the front bumper, the mirrors, the license plate holder, and I think that's really all that he wanted. Blake's fingers are cut to hell from trying to get the back bumper taken apart. What do you think about Ford's?
Piece of shit.
Not good. We're taking this apart, and we thought that Katie was gonna be maybe like a shop hand or a YouTuber, but she's taking the role of nanny. So, I mean, that works. Lola looks happy, so I'm happy. You like her, Lola?
We're just helping.
Just twist it with your hands. You won't even need a ratchet.
Si, senor.
This thing has 1,600 miles on it. It's got more dirt on it than the truck that I have right here. 20 years. Clean one arm. Straight through the Sahara Desert.
Probably why the values drop on them so quick. That's all I buy.
I won't buy no Broncos.
I won't sacrifice.
I'm a 4-truck man.
Katie, teach us the song that Katie, teach us the song, or tell us a song that I taught you. Sing it for me. I was singing it last night. I was singing it last night at Haley's house.
I'm a dyke ass bitch.
No, not that one. Not that one.
Show us your grill.
The bean one.
Smile for me.
The beaner song.
Oh, I am a frito bendito. I love you so much that I take them from you.
Ay. I want you to be left out. Sing us a song.
I don't want to sing a
Sing for me,
Come on, you
daddy.
have to sing a song we all did.
Smile for me, daddy.
No, I don't.
That was
No,
the song.
I don't.
That was beautiful.
That was good.
Hey, we need to take these.
Encore. What's up, hoes and bros? It is paint day for the Bronco. We're washing the bumpers and a couple other pieces that we're going to be painting today. Once they're dry, all we're going to do is adhesive promote, Scotch-Brite them, adhesive promote, and then put the first coat of paint on. I don't know if we're going to put them in the paint booth or not. We're still trying to decide that. We're going to figure that out while everything is drying.